Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. Welcome to my channel. I am literally standing outside my garage, and in this video I'll be attempting to clean up this oil stain on my driveway. I'll be using a combination of Coca Cola and Dawn Platinum dishwasher detergent. Now the culprit to this oil stain on my driveway has been my 2000 GMC Sierra pickup truck. The last year it's been dripping oil. I have a separate video. I was able to temporarily fix the oil leak with some stock leak. Now it's time to clean the driveway. Now I've seen videos that use Coca Cola for cleaning up oil. I've watched other videos using Dawn to clean up oil stains. So I'm going to combine the two, see how well they work together. And I'm going to use some water and also a wire brush. Now let's see what happens. Concrete is still drying, but it's for the most part dry, and this is what it looks like. I'm very impressed with how well the Dawn and Coca-Cola worked in cleaning up the oil. Now, concrete stains, it just really does. You spill wine on a concrete floor, it'll stain it for life. So it's really hard to clean any concrete, and so it's not perfect. You can still see spots that are there. However, this is night and day difference compared to what it was. By the way, this bigger oil spill here, that's actually not engine oil. That was my air conditioner compressor that went, and that's the oil that's in the air compressor. It's stained more than the engine oil. Now, my hope is that over time, the sun will fade this out as we get summer sun and that. But overall, I'm pleased with how this turned out. Now, this is Scott again with Scott's Garage. If you got any value at all from this video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. If you're not subscribed to Scott's Garage, please do so. We'd love to have you as part of the channel. And as always, have a great day.